Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docents DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to explore an important question. Why does the United States have a president instead of king? Many countries throughout history have been ruled by kings or queens, but the U.S. chose a different path. Let's discover why the American people rejected monarchy and created a government led by a president. In the 1700s, the American colonies were ruled by King George III of Great Britain. The king had the power to make laws, collect taxes, and control the colonies without allowing them to have a say. Many colonists believed this was unfair, especially since they had no representatives in the British Parliament. This led to growing anger and eventually the American Revolution, where the colonies fought for their independence. After winning the war, American leaders wanted to build a government that was completely different from a monarchy. They feared that having a king or a single ruler with too much power would lead to tyranny and oppression. Instead, they created a system of democracy where power would come from the people. The U.S. Constitution, written in 1787, established the office of the president. The president would be elected by the people and serve for a limited time, not for life like a king. This way, leaders could be changed through elections, and no one person would have total control. The power would be divided among three branches: executive, legislative, and judicial, to keep the government balanced. George Washington, the first president of the United States, could have become a king if he wanted to. Many admired him and trusted him as a leader, but he believed in democracy and refused to take too much power. His decision helped shape the presidency as a position of service, not royalty. Today, the president is a symbol of the people's voice and serves as the head of the government. The idea of having a president instead of a king reflects the values of freedom, equality, and representation, key principles of American democracy. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the United States has a president instead of a king and the meaning behind this important choice. Don't forget to subscribe to Docents DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.